meja biasa, ala-ala restaurant. What's that? Boring. Kita makan atas. Food. What's up? Oh, hello. Hello. Thank you very much for having us. So, follow me and we shall see what's gonna happen. Shocknya. Dapat tuala. Emma pun ambil video. I pun ambil video, Emma pun ambil video. Thank you. Towel. Hello. Terima kasih. Oh my goodness, look at the setup. Hi, Ma. Look at the setup, is gorgeous it is. Kita masih lagi menunggu kehadiran yang amat berhormat Kiranto Marcelo dengan ibunya. Rasanya sebab Abang Kiran baru habis on air kan, so maybe got stuck in the jam. But it's okay, dia akan dihantarkan menggunakan rescue boat. So now we're gonna eat. We're hungry, man. Nanti I tunjukin makanan dia, okay? Maybe you all tak perasan lah, tapi kita dah bergerak. That's what I'm trying to show you, but it doesn't seem to be working. Ni semua pemenang-pemenang kita. Semuanya sedondol dengan ibu. Orange, red. Say hello.
Captain Nazri.
Okay, Captain berdekatan, so it's a good thing. Mami, how's the food?
Very nice.
Yummy. Yeah?
Very yummy.
Tak makan?
It's fish. Pada mereka yang kenal dengan Lea, tahulah masalah saya sekarang kan. Dia nasib baiklah ikan ni okey lagi. I can still eat. Tapi rupanya Ibu Kiran tak makan ikan juga. Kesian je ikan dia. Tepikan ikan dia. Ini pun Aunty pun tak makan ikan dia.
Bahagian rupanya.
Ikan yang terpinggir di pian.
Dia ada ikan
makan ikan laut je. Makan.
Abang Kiran? Siap ambil gambar lagi.
Saya suka ikan. Dia bawa ikan apa sekalipun. Ikan duyung kita tak dapat lagi.
Amboi. Kak Yang dengar. Pertama ikan patin. Ini ke?
Ikan patin dua.
Patin.
Dia masak apa? Lemak siap apa? Tempoyak. Oh.
Yes. I don't know how people can eat fish. But never mind. Yang penting punyalah lapar. Sebenarnya kita ada starter tadi. Kita lupa nak ambil gambar. Macam mana?
Sama lah kita.
So tak apa lagi. Kita tengok ni. Tengoklah. Tengok okay. Next course I show some more. Okay? OMG. This I like.
Yes,
very cheese tart.
It is called
cheese
tart.
Asal je suara background
This is the strawberry. That's the cheese. And the whole thing we call it tart. But they didn't mention the cherry here, so it's okay. Just for some display purposes, but you can eat this, yeah. Okay, ni dessert lah.
Boleh lah, Masterchef Malaysia. Boleh. The interpreter. The apa nama? Presenter je lah. Kalau nak masak.
Sudah jaya ni bawa family.
Tak apa. Yang penting, this is the fabulous place to bring your mother, your father, your husband, your wife, or whoever you want to treat specially. Habis dah. Makan dah habis dah. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go upstairs and see the view of Putrajaya from the point of view of the Tasik. Woot! Where's my Mami? Mami? Yes. Let's jump. We're going to jalan. Okay, let's go. Look at the view. Nice. La ilaha illallah. Ibu, engkaulah ratu hatiku. Bila aku berduka, engkau hiburkan selalu. Okay, we're back. Everything dah settled already, alhamdulillah. And everybody dah kenyang, alhamdulillah. Now it's photo session time. But photo session you all tak payah tengok kot kan. Yang penting, thank you very much to Putrajaya Tasik Cruise Tasik Putrajaya Cruise. Am I saying it right? Cruise Tasik Putrajaya. It's actually the same meaning. It's the matter of putting the words in the proper place. So yeah, terima kasih banyak-banyak kepada Cruise Tasik Putrajaya. Memang best, makanan pun sedap. Service was very friendly, very comfortable. We all had a lot of fun and at the same time chill. Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much and congratulations once again kepada semua yang telah pun menyertai peraduan ni dekat laman web www.alfm.com.my. Sertai lagi macam-macam hadiah yang best. Percayalah. Tanya sekali lagi.
Betapa tidak ternanggola yang menyinarkan hidupku. Sepanjang masa engkau berkorban, tidak putusnya bagai air lalu. Ibu, ibu, engkaulah ratu hatiku. Kau tak dapat ku lupakan, wahai